Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Viper's Cloud using the new fart pose on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to go to like the photo spots here. This pose is actually very convenient of her, like for her, because she has like a smoke cloud that's green. I mean, it kind of looks like it's kind of, well, it looks kind of weird, but it looks cool, I guess. So we are going to do the fart pose first, and we're just going to go to the camera setting, and we're going to kind of really zoom in so it doesn't look like she is farting. We just need like that cloud. Just take a photo and press save, and let's view it. That is Viper. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.